It's summertime where I'm at, which means there are plenty of plants around producing leaves and flowers. One way we can appreciate this time is by getting outside. In this video, we're going to look at an easy at-home science lab that leaves you, no pun intended, with a beautiful nature print at the end. The first thing you'll need is to gather at least 4 leaves, flowers, twigs, seeds, or whatever other plant goodies you can find. Today, I'm just using leaves, but you can totally change up what you use. Thank the plant as you pick its leaf, it worked so hard to make, and head indoors for the next part. Once you've gathered your leaves, there are a couple of next steps you can take. I always give my students a guided worksheet to go with this lab, but you can skip this if you want. All we do extra is make quantitative and qualitative observations over the leaves we choose. There are also pre-planned places to print your leaf and conclusion questions at the end. If you want this worksheet, you can check out my TPT store. I'll have it linked in the description below. For additional materials, you'll need a paintbrush and then paint of your choice. This paint is very thin, so it works well. If you have a thicker paint, just thin it out with a little bit of water before painting your leaf. Also, don't forget to lay down some extra newspaper or materials you have laying around so you don't accidentally paint your desk or table. Here's an example of taking observations of the leaf. I won't show it for all of them, but feel free to go ahead and write observations for all of them. Once you're ready, pour your paint and lightly coat your leaf. Once your full leaf is covered, firmly press it onto the paper. If it moves or if you need to apply more paint, no worries, just do it again and I promise it will still come out just fine. Get discouraged if the full leaf doesn't print. We will be outlining it later to add form to it, so you're totally good. Okay, so now your leaf print should look something like this. Now before going on to the next part, let's review the different structures of a leaf so you can try to identify them in your prints. Take note or come back to this part of the video if you need help identifying the structures that you see. Now, take a black ink pen and start outlining any parts of your print that contain the midrib, veins, petiole, etc. Optional, but you can totally label these on your plant print as well. And there you have it, a fun and easy summer science lab. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe, comment, like, all that good stuff, and hopefully I will see you next time. Happy sciencing, everyone. Bye!